Hello, this is Samuel Dunham, and I represent SIUE, Southern Illinois University, Edwardsville, and the IEEE section and chapter at this university. I am vice president and the lead on this project, and I'm applying for a free kit for the Micromatic contest. The intent for this project is to make use of the Board of Education Shield for Arduino because of its vast library and database of users and community to implement an automated ventilation system, or not ventilation, ventilator system. The idea here being that with this automated ventilator we will be able to control how much oxygen a person gets depending on their needs based upon the pulse oximetry. The idea of pulse oximetry being that if we use two different wavelengths of light, infrared and red, we can measure the absorption rate through the blood and determine how much oxygen is present based upon ratios and potentially a lookup table. After we've measured the oxygen levels, we will control a small ventilator pump with servo motors or stepper motors, and depending on certain needs, it'll supply oxygen at a faster rate. Now, we don't want to oversupply oxygen, like overfill the lungs. Depending on certain situations, you can only get so much in a person. So there will be certain thresholds in place, and on top of that, because of the nature of pulse oximetry, we're also able to get heart rate data. The intent is to use the combination of the heart rate data and the blood oxygenation in order to set up some kind of safety monitoring system for this individual. Now, with this information, if there are dangers present, there will be communication serially to a Raspberry Pi, which will in turn act as a network relay. It'll kind of carry this information to the proper source, some database or Twitter, hospital, whatever. And there will also be local statistics, ideally stored in a database, but that's kind of last-minute implementation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for putting on this contest and giving us this opportunity.